Hi everyone, this is Tyler from Herbert-ABS with another Learning Series video. In this video, I'm going to quickly give an overview of the IMDG hazardous cargo handling within CargoMax and provide a quick walkthrough on implementing an IMDG update. The IMDG rules are maintained by IMO to provide guidance and safety when transporting hazardous materials. The rules assign hazardous cargo classes, as seen here. This typically applies to hazardous cargoes within containers, but can also apply to other cargo types like roll-on, roll-off, or rail cars. The rules generally provide guidance on the degree of separation necessary between items of different classes. For example, Class 6.2, toxic and infectious substances, must be separated by a complete compartment or hold from Class 4.1, flammable solids. The IMDG code contains multitudes of definitions, lists, and special handlings which can become quite difficult to track. But that is where CargoMax can shine. By automatically evaluating the IMDG segregation of the cargoes loaded, you can easily confirm that the requirements are met or locate and correct stowages that fail the IMDG segregation check. In this loading condition, to start, CargoMax is loaded correctly, with no alarms present, including the IMDG segregation alarm. However, if we open the detailed container weight entry tool, and I look at this container, which is Bay 17, Stack 1, Tier 82, I can see that I have an item with an IMDG class of 6.2 in this container. If I enter a load containing an item of class 4.1 into an adjacent container, which I can do here, we can see that I now have an IMDG segregation alarm. If I expand it, I can see which containers and which classes are causing the conflict. The alarm also provides hyperlinks, so we can jump right to the offending containers. Every 2 years, IMO releases an update to the IMDG code. There's a rolling period where the new IMDG release is optional and then becomes mandatory, as the previous release is no longer valid. At Herbert-ABS, we do our best to stay on top of these changes and send new IMDG packages out when they are available. Updating CargoMax to leverage these packages is relatively straightforward. Step 1. Close CargoMax if it is running. Step 2. We're going to locate the new IMDG package file provided. This will typically be contained within a zip file. Here, I'm going to extract the zip file, just in place here. And we can see the new 42-24 DGPKG file. Note that the file name, 42-24, denotes the IMDG version that we're going to be installing, and the DGPKG extension is how CargoMax will recognize it. Step 3, we're going to copy this file, and step 4, navigate to C, Program Data, Herbert-ABS, CargoMax 2.1. Note that the Program Data directory might not be visible by default, but by typing %, Program Data, %, into the Windows Explorer address bar, it will take you there. Now, step 5, we're going to paste the copied DGPKG file into the new folder, and now we can restart CargoMax. Once we have CargoMax loaded, we can go to the Detailed Container tool. We can select the Options ribbon menu, and if you click on the Dangerous Goods package drop down here, you should see a second IMDG amendment. Select this, and the new package has been loaded and is now active in CargoMax.
Thanks for watching this learning video. For more information, please visit us at www.herbert-abs.com or email us at info@herbert-abs.com.